uziva njani namhlanje bhuti?
Ke mntaseke baxela ndaxela into yokuba ngoku siqala madoda inyanga enkulu madoda iintsuku ezinkulu fondini 16 days of activism silapha fondini wellness center kwindawo yasicofa imbawu baxela ndaxela bakhona bonke fondini abathandi bomculo i-artist ndithi artists zikhona zonke usimo lapho namhlanje I the main protein ndibala ntoni Pitbull lapho namhlanje I'm out.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Kubantu abatsha lona uthethayo ngumama uJafta ungumanejala ka-special programs focusing on the youth program in fact nezinye ke i-programs ezikhoyo but now we're looking at the program yabantu abatsha integrated with i-16 days of activism. We have partnered ke kule program with the local artists zethu zase-intsika yethu ziye zasebenza kakuhle zabonisa interest. They wanted to plow back to the community what they have, what the talent they have, what the skill they have. Singumasipala ke we appreciate a lot ukubona abantu abatsha befuna ukungenelela basebenze nomasipalati kungekho nzuzo kodwa bebonisa ukuzimisela ne-collaboration eyenzekayo. Siyathemba ke singumasipalati kula office ke kasodolophu ukuba together we can make it. Sisitsho ke kule program ukuba siyibonile italent yabo sisayibona siyi-office we want to nurture this talent and this potential so that ikwazi ukureacha the objective esirhalela ubanayo. One day siyarhalela into yoba nathi sibone i-artist esuka apha intsika yethu iyoma kwi-heights i-national artist. Siza kuyenza ke loo nto but it needs more time, it needs more space, it needs i-patience and tolerance. Kodwa ngokubabona ke njengoba ndisebenza nabo bayabonakala uba ngabantu aba-patient esizawukwazi uba siye khona. I think by next week or that day at night we'll be doing a talent show again, showing their talent again. We'll be having auditions ubonisa uba le program iyaqhubekeka iyahamba baninzi kakhulu. So we'll be doing auditions nge-29th so that sikwazi into yoba sishiyeke ne-talents ezibonakalayo. I think ngokunokwam ndi-office I'm fine and writing ngabo Ndigrand ngendwana zam.
Okay. Sorry, I think it's about plus or minus 6 questions.
Okay,
Here.
okay.
Well, the first question is, what inspired this program?
Okay. What inspires the inspired program was, I noticed that in my office there are a lot of artists that come around. Initially in the office we were looking solely to the sport development. Then we noticed that there is another side of the development in terms of the arts or creative. So it's whereby we said, let us try to do something ngale potential, ngale talent. So that's why I think it is on its 4th year uba image, and we can attest into it really ngolu hlobo sasilibona ngayo, and i-producer what is good and what is right. Thank you.
Okay. So, ma'am, I would like to ask, what kind of feedback are you expecting from these programs, from the artists and from the community at large?
Okay. I think through these programs, from the artist side, sikhalela i-artists to involve them a lot, so that we get a positive feedback. So we've got this principle and slogan, city, nothing without us. Ne? Yes, with us. Ne? What we want the artist to come and bavele to say what is it that they want. How can this program, creatives or initiative, so that bakwazi develop up to the standard. Then in terms of the community, we want all the community to participate in the program. We still have limitations in terms of budget and all that, because we want to start it in the lower levels as Wadini and all that, in stages. But for now, we still have those limitations, but hoping that if ever sisebenza ngolu hlobo, we will make it at the end of the day, because it is not a once-off program. We want the program iqhubekeke nathi ekugqibeleni sibe ne-national artist esizibonayo. Okwangoku le program iveze the good fruits, because sikwazile uba sibona abantwana who have potential apha intsika yethu ebesikade singabazi singumasipala. Because the motive behind was, let us not use the national artists, let us groom our artists so that bazo move nabo into other levels. So really the program yasincedisa namhlanje we use them aba balapha ku local artists. It means sinokujava bethu, sino DJ Tira bethu. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Oh well. The last question for the day is, due to these pandemics that we're facing as the country, should it be that we face another pandemic such as the COVID-19? Are these programs going to run through those pandemics, or will there be some cut-off, the limitations? Will there be more limitations due to pandemics, or we're still going to keep the numbers that we're keeping right now?
I can say due to a pandemic, it means there will be a challenge that poses with the pandemic. For instance, even now, the pandemic that was there, the COVID-19, it really affects the program. So we didn't manage to have this program, I think 2020, because of the pandemic. Yes, so it means really it has an impact, a negativity, a pandemic. But out of the pandemic, we have to check into what best can we do the program. Let us not leave, the pandemic is here to stay, but how can we live with the program? The pandemic is there. For instance, now out of the pandemic, we noticed that, okay, there is a structure called SIFSA, that is for creatives. Then that one, the artists that was saying, we managed to have a structure local, so that nabo ba benefit with funding and all the other staffers and the organization. So it means funeka babezi affiliates to other organizations, nokuba be local space, so that when the pandemic comes, bayayazi ngoba nathi we fit to the space. The space is a bigger structure.
Ngiyakwazi bonqanti. Ozathi senekho. Ozoba iselector. Tibambe amasidi sibambe into yakho.
Level Records Television, up on my side we've got Ipuderi, I think also Kakula Kalala Basaika. We have some few questions. Sakhan Nikasam was one. Ulene Pudukan.
Okay, and Pelele Prago right.
Simnanda Pudukan. Pudukan and Kaluza Sakbo.
Okay, chairperson of South African Youth Council and
So the first question is, when you heard of this program as your department, what did you specifically expect on gender-based violence from your side?
Yeah, since it's an organization yabantu abasha no izinto ezininzi gender-based violence isikakhulu uyaqaphela South Africa istats zithi abona abantu baninzi ngabantu abatsha so kulento eyenzekayo ngoku siyavuya kwabantu sephithi ke abekho naba bantu batsha amadoda ngabeli but kwinto ezinje eyona nto besiyi-expectile kuba kuze abona abantu bahlukumeza abantu yabo but ke as long as bengekho ekuhambeni kwexesha zaba nazo ii-programs especially kulo nyaka sizawuqala ezizawukwazi usondeza ezi boys namadoda yabo so that siyitheklishe siyi-attack ezi issues siyizale gender-based violence.
From the community, what kind of feedback are you expecting? Not specifically from the young boys and all of that. What kind of response are you expecting from the community at large?
After them, hey, it's so wish bangamamela man because lento yenzeka and yaqhubekeka yabo and kukho lento yenzeka imbi yobulawa kwa ngathi youth because aba bantu singamabara youth so I so wish community man especially amadoda like bazimamele ezicampaigns zinjengalo lento njengoba bekushiwo 16 days of activism ingasingabiyo 16 days siyenze 365 days a year yabo so that kuzoba better sizotshintsha siye kuba lolutsha ludume ngento ezimbi sibe lolutsha lusebenzayo lenze izinto ezinto enjengalo.
From the speakers that I've heard thus far, it's somehow emphasized that it's only men that do this gender-based violence. So what's your take on that? You think that it's both men and women that actually abuse each other, whether physically, mentally, or emotionally, or is it both genders?
I think ingxaki yomntu wonke yabo because ivoice yekanje ivoice yamadoda engafuna uthetha masiyayazi sine-pride singamadoda maninzi amadoda ahlukumezekayo like too much kakhulu ube singekho sikhona maninzi ebulewe ngokuthi sibona i-TV nazendabeni yabo engamadoda but akufana kube kwikhampeyini ezinje zithi hayi bangxoliswa abantu abangomama ngokuhlukumeza amadoda. I-gender-based violence it's not specifically abantwana yabo abantu ababhinqileyo yeyomntu wonke yabo even nawe kuyindoda suba ashamed yabo come out uchaze uba hey man ndiphethwe kakubi yabo ndine-girlfriend ngumama ngutata uyandihlukumeza endlini yabo so i-gender-based violence ayina-gender ithile it doesn't mean kwi-females or ebantwaneni ekhaya yabo yeyomntu wonke.
I think that's all.
Yeah, sure, guys. Thanks.
Yeah, are you ready for the one and only? Yes, yeah. Usi. Asante my selector.
Molweni Tofi baba. Yaphinda ngiyabulisa. Sure, asante.
sipping, and I'm in the double cup. Save it, but injury to one and the whole pussy good. Pussy, I don't work. Give me the best and I'm running the race. Every race, I don't want to one and I use the best. I need to generate it on the face. Where in my train, I see my day. I see my game, and see my name. Get this, I put some. It's about it, in the car, telling my wife. Where's the thing that you will be the house? Where's my class of my day? I'm on it, I'm on it. Touches the gun, it's so much. It's money, the money, I took my money, I showed you my gun. I know the money, the nigga is free. So let me get it, I can come back, making the music, the money, I'm rich, so I get it.
It's right this way to pull it down into the stool. Playing with my niggas when I'm in the mood. I got my deals, 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 I got my deals.
Who put my feeling down? Now beg it, baby, on the shop that chicken go. I'm on the line, I hit the board, no hand to say this. I will put a good job in the pillar. They got the mama, there's a boom like this. So boom like this. I feel so boom like this. So boom like this. Like this. They got it, she might play with. They got it, she might play with. She might be classy, she might be cool. Tell them my bitch, they bitch in my room. Just walk around in your real the shoes. Get on the alley, real the room. We keep it pics in the studio. Flip the moves, what it but take on my switch up and move. Climb in the bands, to go every boost. Hotter than the big, but the pump in the cruise. Chasing the cool as fuck in the fridge. Give me a hit and I play with the weed. Give me the fridge, my speed on sneeze. Just a little bit of stuff in the fridge. Give me the hit and I play with the weed. Give me the breeze and my speed on my steez. Niggas gon' sneeze, lifting up top of the amps, flipping up top of the bands, going the squads on top of the cans. She got it put in the put it, she serves. I'll be a kid. Working my queen, working the bosses, working the city, working the shit, yeah. I think that fame, the bacon, got the shopping chicken. That's it. The corner had the sneeze, and we're cool, now we're done, they show that please. They got my face up on my hips. Up on my hips. My face up on my hips. Up on my hips. I hear you do. I hear you do. Yeah, I teach him out the way. I teach him out the way. Hey, I hear you. Hey, come on ATM. Cause all this is so funny. What did I go to Baba?
Yo, shine his hand, shine his hand, roll no more now, shine his hand. I see it down, whoa. So shall I back to Gilang and then I see it no way, I see it down. Whoa! I saw we keep it up for teacher speech. Tell me the understand.
Yo, Torha, stay now. Torha, we are coming. Siyeza eNcobo. Siyeza ngomhla we-22 kaDisemba eNcobo. Ngicela nisijoyine sibe sonke. Masha. Go like shit. Okay, I introduce myself right.
Vlog.
What's going on?
Vlog because I was not done.
Yeah. Now it's going down. Coffin Baba Wellness Center. And a Proti, Merowe Babies. No, and the one and only Pitbull K9. It's out. It's out. As I was saying. As I was the performer ngoku Brazil yabo. Enjoy by stage.
Are you corner? Proti corner? Pitbull corner? Wellness Center, Coffin Baba, 25 November 2022.
Pitbull corner. People can people that thing this.
Okay. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, bruh. Yeah.
How do you feel?
Ingaba uziba njani? Okay. Ungaba uziba njani lapha namhlanje?
Namhlanje ndizive right. Simo senhlalo sithini? Simo sembongi. Simo sembongi.
Moya wembongi phansi nje uphethe uhubo. Sokuxeke. Uphezulu.
Qalabile ngamothula.
Yo, freestyle, move back. Yo, you know we rap like, K9 we rap like, we rap like, look, I run away around the city like I'm on the lake. You know they say my man this game now I got to play, woo, nigga fuck what they say, yeah, woo, I don't do it, boza, woo, and the time they know kuthetha, woo, God one dia trapper, woo, yeah,
Okay, Proti bayayithatha.
smoke,
Yanibona ndiya smoke.
nangu aya ne-threat, yanibona ndiyabhenga, ndiyababa ndiyatshisa, yanibona ndiyatrapha, hayibo uyandithemba, yintoni uthanda uthetha,
Engamelanga rhyme no way rhyme. Engamelanga rhyme no way.
For the beer rhyme, but again, some said.
But awala la rhyme ngondo ndiphe egqibeleni la ubu. But as but some yabona yathetha. Erara here.
As I was saying, this day is very important in the history of South Africa, as we believe many women are oppressing men in this country.
Yes.
The other way around. Many men are oppressing women in this lifetime. So we are here to change. We are here to change our opinions of many black people in South Africa.
It's not only black God. It's not only black God.
soze ibhithi yami yodwa kodwa kuhleli rapper zodwa soze ibhithi yami yodwa kodwa kuhleli rapper zodwa soze ibhithi yami yodwa kodwa abutakina soze ibhithi
Children.
uthi ndamtshela icherry hayibo icherry ndinyazi hayibo soze awutakina ndlalanda libethani soze
Satima yoko.
bitch I'm gone I never saw a sign. I'm ready for it. I'm taking the punch. Yo. It was good school lead, my nigga. Brother, what about the
So last time, the record,
Recording in motion.
I can't tell.
Six is a gap. Net drinks zazo zoyi-6. Drinks zazo zoyi-6. Yeah, I'm parties. Oh, okay.
Okay, go.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we've got Pitbull. Guys, niyakule report noko. Yena kalomi akayongozi kodwa ke yes. He is a danger to the game because it flows. Yazibulala. Okay, Bhuti mntana ngicela ubuza man. How was your performance? Usivinjani ngokuperformayo?
Yeah, performance yam ndiyakuthi 40%. Let me say that because nyana can't plan because besokwenza ngiwe iqhakwa vela nalena uyabo and le crack ni perform leyo ya ngincane intswembu qha ndiphemela abantu aba-wrong yabo ngexesha eli-wrong otherwise icrack ezimnandi ndishiyemva ekhaya
Otherwise bangapho DJ kanini by 4 ebesibabalile
ukwenza soba kushite i4 pha
ukuthi
natamnye umuntu ogadile
tell 2 more
yeah bro
how's the eye how's the interview
Plan the piece.
undibhizi mna ngoku
akasimi interview ngela bro
yeah oh don't tell athi 8
Aye kwa putosa
athi 8 am athi man I had the main okay guys sino I had the main
usibenja performance yakho
ibinjani performance yakho
ndayidana
oh okay so ubuyenza kanje performance yakho uyibulele
ndayidana I don't have much to say like I can say ndayidana
okay nizivele ke babukela uthi uyayithanda performance yakhe asiziba samshini drinks
ezinye khona
hayibo
ukhona Mom J
ukhona lapho
yeah bra mamela fona bapho bwene
akayinayo present mayiye nayo Mzan.
Yeah, man.
So what? Kama nengoma zoyiperform namhlanje?
No, I'm performing tonight.
How come?
No, man.